Hello, good morning, everybody. How are you? My name is Guillermo Joya, and I'm very happy that all of you have joined BNB Business. I'm going to make a quick tutorial, but very powerful video that I would like for all of you to see. And please go ahead and share it with all of the members on our team that have enrolled, because I noticed some problems on the website last night. So this is growing extremely fast. On our team alone, we got over 400 happy people that are building teams, and they're withdrawing every day. So what's happening is the website can't handle all of the traffic. So I'm going to show you what you can do so that you can go ahead and keep on building your business. You can keep on enrolling brand new people, and how you can withdraw your commissions all manually directly on the blockchain. So at the end of this video, I'm going to have the link to the contract, so you can go ahead and interact directly with the blockchain and do everything that you needed to do while the website is being upgraded. So let's take this opportunity to grow our team even further, because education is very, very important, and we can help a lot of people to enroll in BNB Business. So once you go ahead on the website and you go over here, all you got to do is scroll down to where it says contract. As you can see, it says transactions, internal transactions. As you can see, everything is working. 22 minutes ago, 22 seconds ago, somebody withdrew, somebody invested. So the website is not even really needed. If you go here to contract, you can go ahead and then go to a section that says write contract. And these are the three commands that you have access to: invest, refer, and withdraw. So if somebody wants to come in and join BNB Business, if they want to come in at 10 BNB, they just go ahead and put in 10.0 here. They will paste your wallet address here, and then they hit write. Automatically, that person is on your team. You're paid the commission. Very, very simple to do. If you want to go ahead and withdraw your commissions, you just click over here where it says write, and the money goes directly into your wallet. So the first thing you got to do is you got to connect your wallet to the blockchain. So I'm currently using the MetaMask wallet for this example. So I'll click on this button that says connect to Web3. Then I'll go ahead and I'll type in here, clicking on MetaMask. Then I hit OK. And now my wallet is connected directly with the blockchain, and I can have access to these commands. As you can see, my wallet is also over here. So for example, if you don't know what your wallet is, you can click on it here, and that is what you're going to use to paste over here on the bottom, so that when people join, they join your team and you're the one that gets paid. So what I want to show you now is how you can withdraw your funds. So just click here on write. My wallet opens up. Then I click over here, confirm, and then it works. So let me just show you guys the balance before and after, so you can see that it's all working. So let me come back out of here for 1 second, and I'm going to open up the wallet over here. And as you can see, this is connected with the smart chain. My wallet is there. This is BNB Binance. So just ignore that thing that says Ethereum on there, because this is the wallet that I'm using for this business. So as you can see, it says 9.75, and those are the black BNB coins that are currently in there. So my wallet here shows connected. Over here shows connected. That's what I showed you before. So I'm going to click here right on the bottom, and then I'm going to go ahead and click confirm. And now I just wait a few seconds. Everything's running now in the background. And now I go back into my wallet and I go ahead and check. Let's just wait a little bit for this transaction to go ahead and confirm. And as you can see there, boom, my balance went up. It went from 9 BNB to like 10.3 BNB, to show you that, I just was able to cash out. If you want proof, you just go here to view your transaction. Successful. I got paid. if I wanted to go ahead and enroll somebody now into BNB Business, my wallet address is here, but let me just get it directly from the wallet itself. So when you open your wallet and you click over here, you see the copy comes out. So now it's my wallet, which matches this, which matches over here. So when I want to enroll somebody into this business, I copy my wallet over here. If they want to come in at 0.1 BNB, they can do it. 1.0 BNB, 4.0 BNB, 10.0 BNB, whatever it is they want to do, they will do it. You will enroll them, you will get paid, and that's it, guys. This is a very powerful video that I would like to guys all know, so you can guys go ahead and use it, and you can continue building your teams. You can withdraw your money without any problem at all. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Have an awesome weekend, everybody. Goodbye.